Alright. Dang. Diddly darn. This comic is so boring. It has no word puzzles in it. Hey! Who put this here?
Ooh, is that a magazine?
Oh, no. Wait, hon, that probably has minors in it. Ah, crap! Ah! Hey, well, who did that? Oh, it's another magazine. Oh my god, it says NT on it. Wow. Blah, 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 blah. Reading. Random reading. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Bro, this is so boring. Oh my god. Oh my god, I found a word puzzle on here, guys. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't know the answer to this. Wait, hold on. That's the bully over there. Yeah, look at you. You assault minors. No. Wait, hold on.
What?
I didn't mean to say that. Right. Okay, it says here, that's not any proof. Yeah, it is. It says, person escaped from jail, assaulting minors. Anyways. Hey! What the are you doing here? Bro, I was over here with my girlfriend.
What?
Nah, be quiet. I'm a man. Nah, be quiet, cuz. Alright, so it says here, there's a word puzzle. Nah, baby girl. Nah, what the hell did you get? Alright, so everyone be quiet while I read you this word puzzle. Alright. But shut up, biscuit. Yeah, be quiet. Alright, anyways.
Hi, guys! Oh my god, be quiet. We want to hear your yapping mouth.
I didn't mean to say. What are you guys yapping about?
Hello?
Alright. This word puzzle, I need to look for 6.
Hey! I am talking to my best friend here.
Be quiet, Dr. Eggman. Be quiet. You have no rights to speak, woman. Isn't that sexist or something? Nah, be quiet. I'm trying to read you my word puzzle. Yeah, leave now. Alright. So those people are a-holes. Oh my god! I found a star! It's 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 effing nighttime. Anyways. I was stuttering so hard there, but anyways. Alright, guys. I don't know this question, but literally I'm just making this random math equation. Wait, on. What just happened there? What just happened? What are you even talking about? We're talking about the dang word puzzle. No, you're stupid. That was about Mickey Mouse. How is that about Mickey Mouse? This is a word puzzle. Are you dead serious? I don't see any Mickey Mouse on here. Are you sure you're not hallucinating again? I swear I wasn't on them drugs. Guys, I think I found something over there. It looks amazing. It was actually nothing. Haha, I just ditched you all into coming to the dinner table. I'm gonna eat all of you. Ah! Huh? Yo, who is this? There's a snow bunny sitting right next to me.
Hi, guys. I'm making some food.
I don't know what. Wait, hon, I thought that was a trash can for a second.
Oh, God. Ew, it tastes nasty.
Okay. Bro just wasted the food. We are starving like African children. Hey. You have no right to say that. Wait, are you afraid that we're gonna get demonetized? Nah, look at your ugly ass over here, boy. You built like a fucking.
Bro, you can't.
Oh my god, no! Come back here, little. This is so boring. They put their dirty feet all over the kitchen table. I'll be quiet. I have no feet, so I don't even care about this crap anyways. crap, what is that? Yo, I'm so dizzy. Oh, Jay, who is that? Who is you?
Shut up, boy. Shush, please. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Minecraft. Today we've been mining for diamonds because I don't know how to select this. Yeah, that's why I selected.
Wait, this has a lot to do with my word puzzle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why can't I write the answer? This is so stupid. Oh my god.
You actually can't do that because it's very illegal. You can pay copyright laws by copyright because you're saying curse words over there.
Oh god damn it. Yo, did that dude just die?
Yep. I actually don't know why because
Yo, I need a little help here.
no, you can't. But because you're trash.
Yo, did you just call me trash?
Yeah, so do. So what you gonna do about it? But because you look small, that's why I can crush you in half instead right now. Is it all you?
Bro, you built like EDP.
No, because you actually solve miners every day, so that's why now I can bring you a full contest right now.
Yeah. I mean, it's a contest from EDP. Yeah, we can't deny that, right?
And now, so that's the reason why I should give you a cupcake.
Knife.
Light bulb. Picture. Yarny guy. Yo-yo berry.
You don't remember.
Yo, rubbery. Croissant. Cuppy. Not Hatsune Miku.
Cfmot.
And now you can pay more money to give me more boats. Okay, this is getting much weirder because I don't know why their shapes look like this.
Oh shit. I got your tongue.
You look like your mother. So that's the reason why. So that's why you should use the airplane to catch this cupcake right now. If we go there, you should get more money right now. And now you became like Mr. Beast, but
Shut up,
because you
EDP.
actually don't know why. Because, can you be quiet or something? I was trying to do something.
My bad.
Because I was trying this one. That's why you get more money. Because I look like Mr. Beast. Because I look like a rip-off version of it myself. So that's the reason why you look like from people.
You said I look like a person.
Yeah, you look like one. So that's why. So you're like, ah!
Yo, I got the coolest one here. Bro, be quiet. We all got the same exact designs. Yo, look at this random wig. Hey, I got the coolest one. Don't you think that? Uh, uh, why are you so sad? You look like sad SpongeBob. Nah, turn that frown upside down and go up downtown. I'm not upset. I'm just depressed right now. It's because, my mom got eaten by... Your mom got eaten by what? I think his mom got eaten by a Sprite can. Alright, that's besides the point. What am I supposed to do here? Is the wings made of paper or something? This is made of cardboard. Oh, crap, never mind. Ah! What? How are we supposed to fly if the wings are made of paper? Maybe it's this button. Bro, be quiet. That's the racism button. Nah! Going back to the 1800s. Hey, they went back to the 1800s. Wow, these buttons are so rigged. Yo, there's African children in here. How are we supposed to get around with that? It seems that one has a motor. It's getting a bit... Wait, huh, what? Wait, huh, what were you about to say? Like, literally, look at this view. This is such a beautiful view, isn't it? That's paper. That's a magazine. Be quiet. I'm not that stupid. So you just gotta deal with that. Your brain is very hollow. Yo, be quiet. Be quiet. That's you're looking at magazine. What do you think those guys are on about?
Yo, this is so red. Oh crap! No, please no!
Fire noises, fire noises. Hello, guys. Yo, what are you doing here? I was just checking. Bro, go and crash into the other person's plane. Hey, you aren't supposed to do that. That's illegal. That's illegal. You're gonna end up in federal prison. Hey, can you just crash into their plane immediately? Hey, there's that very squiggly thing running towards our plane. Is that a good sign or a bad sign? Isn't that supposed to be bad? Oh crap, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be on the other team. Hey, I was just assigned this.
Oh, please, no! God, no! Please, please, ow! Oh, God!
Boom! I did what you asked me. Did they land safely? Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. They did it. They did. What the hell was that voice crack? Or anyways.
Yo, welcome back to another shit. I don't know why. Anymore. So what the? I don't know people how died already. So that's the reason why. And now, now that one crybaby keeps crying like a little baby. So that's why we should kill him because I don't know why. Because I like to. So that's the reason why I left you because I like to murder people.
Hi,
So that's the
EDP.
reason. But here's how I'm talking about it right now. I got it. I already got it.
Hey, yo.
That's the reason why I got the fan already. So wait, so as a fan is actually the most perfect thing in the world is to make a contest. So every single time, let's see, every time I said, oh God, I don't want to get this guy. Every time I'm ready, I say this big. But wait,
Bro, what is he
wait,
saying?
bro, put your pen in the camera. Bro, put the camera on me, bro. Put the camera on me.
Damn.
Just stop looking at it, people. Just look at me, bro. Look at me. Look at me.
Rain, 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 rain. This is getting very boring. It's starting to rain. I think we're gonna be okay, right? That other one is catching up to us. We need to get quick.
We're gonna catch up to you, little bees words. My name is Caillou.
Yo, who is this? Who is this person? Oh crap! Dang, they really got fumbled real quick, didn't they? Oh, look at him over there! Look at him over there! Yo, I can't wait to make it over there, right? Oh God. Please, please.
Struggling. I'm struggling.
Oh look, he finally safe. Weird thing. If we do the vote, but because you can't because
Bro,
it's
my
actually
team died.
bro. Here, shut up. I'm trying to do something.
My team died.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. It's a cookie and a binary code for no
Please
reason,
help
or
me.
just golden apple. So pick a comment. So see you later. Bye.
My team died. My team died. Please help. Kretzy's gonna catch up to me.
Oh no! Please, God, help me.
Bro, nobody cares about your contestants dying. Just let them be. So make sure you can like and subscribe to today's channel, but because
DDP,
you
shut
can
up.
make sure. Bro, can you stop talking? I was
No,
trying.
no, you shut up.
I was trying to do
Hey,
interview.
no, DDP,
No,
shut up, squilly, biggly, biggly.
What are those guys yapping? Never mind. Am I supposed to shut up now, or what the? My guy, are you? What the? Knife.